kids, welcome to our farm. Let's meet some amazing animals. Are you ready? Let's go. Here's a cow. They say moo. Can you say moo like a cow? Look at the chickens. They go cluck cluck. Can you say cluck like a chicken? These are pigs. They love to play in the mud. Pigs say oink oink. Can you oink like a pig? Here are the sheep. They say ba ba. Sheep give us food. Can you ba like a sheep? Look at the horse. He goes neigh. Horses are strong and fast. Can you neigh like a horse? Here are the ducks. They love to swim and say quack quack. Can you quack like a duck? These are goats. They say ma ma. Goats are great climbers. Can you ma like a goat? Thank you so much for visiting the farm. You met cow, chicken, pig, sheep, horse, duck, and goat. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you.